Meaning of gerontocracy.
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 Gerontocracy. Gerontocracy refers to a form of political leadership where power is held by the elderly. The term comes from the Greek word geron, meaning old man, and kratia, meaning power or rule. In a gerontocracy, decisions are made by a group of older individuals who have accumulated knowledge and experience throughout their lives. This type of leadership has been observed in various cultures and historical periods, often as a way to honor and respect the wisdom of the elderly. However, it can also lead to inequality and exclusion of younger generations from positions of power.